here's another one. Yay! I have an idea. Mom, I need the lollipop too. We're gonna tie the lollipop to the balloon. Now the helium from the balloon won't let your lollipop drop to the floor. Wow, thanks, Mom. No problem, sweetie. Wow, it worked! Mom, you're a genius! Aw, Mother knows best. Look at my drawing!
No, mine's better.
I think they're both pretty good. Wait, Mom, no! Huh? What was that?
Oops. No, the crayons! I can't color like this.
Don't worry, guys. I can fix it.
Really?
How? Just give me the broken crayons. To fix Ben and Lily's crayons, all you need is the broken crayons and the silicone mold. Put the broken pieces in the mold. Don't be afraid to mix them. Once the mold is filled, just put it in the microwave. Leave them in until they melt. Once they solidify, they'll be ready to use.
This is so boring.
I made Lego crayons.
Whoa.
Those look really cool.
Wow, Mom, these crayons are so cool.
I'm glad you like them. Let me try coloring too.
Oh, finally, I get to eat.
Hey, Ben. Ben!
Oh, hey, Mom.
What are you doing? Look at the mess on your face.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mom. Nutella's just my favorite.
To be more careful, let's try using the syringe.
What? How's that gonna help?
We'll use it to suction the Nutella. Now we just put it on the bread. Now it's ready to eat. It's the perfect amount and it's not very messy.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, you still need to clean your face.
Mom?
Yeah?
My hair's so boring. Can you do it like this? Can you help me, please?
Sure. But I don't have a curling iron. Yeah, come on. Yay! What can I do? Oh! First, we need to spray your hair with water.
Okay.
Now, just sit by the stairs.
Are you sure about this, Mom?
Definitely.
Okay. What now?
Now we just need to wrap your hair around the rails. Now we need to wait for it to dry. Once it dries, it will be a perfect curl. Now just repeat it until all your hair is curled.
Wow, my hair's so nice. Thank you, Mom.
Oh, no problem. Anything for my little girl.
You're the best, Mom.
Is this thing empty? Ah, this one's empty too. Mom! Mom!
What is it, Ben?
Can you make some candy? I don't have any left.
Of course, I just need to melt some chocolate. Put some chocolate melt in the bowl. Now we just need to melt it. And while we're waiting, we'll get some plastic spoons.
Okay.
Now that the chocolate is melted, we can start making the candy.
But what are you gonna make with that?
Watch and I'll show you. First, dip the spoon in the chocolate. Next, we need some sprinkles. Just put sprinkles over the chocolate. Once you've decorated the spoons, put it in the fridge to chill.
So how long do we have to wait?
Just 20 minutes until they solidify. And once they're chilled, they're ready to eat.
Ooh, I'll take this one. Thanks, Mom. These are really good.
No problem, sweetie.
I think I'll take them all. I love strawberries. No, I don't like eating the stem.
Then don't. Watch this. See, I ate the strawberry without the stem.
Yeah, but look at all the strawberry you didn't eat.
I don't want to eat the stem.
Oh, you're missing out on like half the strawberry. Look at it.
Okay.
Stop arguing.
Then how are we supposed to eat these?
I'll show you. All you need is a straw. You just need to poke the straw into the strawberry. The straw will get the stem right out. Now the strawberry is ready to eat.
Whoa, Mom, that's really smart. Can I try?
Yeah, go ahead.
I love sprinkles on my ice cream.
Too bad, because I need all the sprinkles I can get.
No, that's not fair.
What's wrong, Lily?
Ben took all the sprinkles. Now there's nothing left.
Don't worry, sweetie. We can make our own sprinkles.
Really? How?
We just need sugar and food coloring. Pour sugar and food coloring in the bowl. Now we need to mix it up. Now we have pink sprinkles for the ice cream. go.
Yeah, Mom.
Lily, your shoes are on wrong.
Oh, sorry, Mom. I'll fix them right now.
Actually, give me your shoes. To help Lily with her shoes, we'll just put a picture. Just cut the picture in half. Tape the picture in the insole. By lining up the picture, it'll help her put her shoes on correctly. Here you go, Lily.
Oh. Huh, that doesn't look right. Much better. Is it okay now, Mom?
Yeah, let's go, Lily.
Okay. Ooh.
No! You can't eat makeup! To make edible lipstick for Lily, all we need is chocolate and an empty lipstick container. Time to microwave the chocolate. And wait till it's fully melted. And carefully take it out. Now we'll just mix in red food coloring. Finally, we'll add it to the mold. Now we'll just leave it in the fridge to set. Once it's set, it's ready for Lily to eat. Here, Lily, try these lipsticks. Ooh! Ooh!
Thanks, Mom. You're the best.
Oh, no problem, sweetie.
Mom, lunch was the worst today.
What happened?
My lunch is way too warm. Look at it. I need like an ice pack or something.
Oh, wait right here. I'll go make one. To make an ice pack for Ben, we'll need a sponge. First, wet the sponge. Then we'll put it in a sandwich bag. And finally, we'll put it in the freezer. Just leave it overnight and then it will be ready. Here you go, Ben.
A sponge? What do you want me to do with this?
It's an ice pack. Try it out.
Fine. All right, I gotta go back to class. Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Time to see if the sponge worked. Hey, it's still cold. How did Mom do that? Whoa, it's still frozen.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.
And then smash that like button and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.